Welcome to Chemistry Simplified. Our topic for today is how to convert mass of a substance to mass of another substance. First, let's look at the steps that are involved in that conversion factor. So let's say you're given the mass of Y. The first step, we have to convert it to moles of Y. And how do we do that? We need to divide by the molar mass. Then we'll take the mole of Y, convert it to moles of X, and in order to do that we need to use the mole ratio from the balance equation. And lastly, we could convert the moles of X into grams of X. This time we would multiply by the molar mass. This is our example: how many grams of carbon dioxide are produced when 55 grams of ethane is burned. Given the following equation, ethane reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Our equation is not balanced, so let's balance it. If you need to learn how to balance chemical equation, we have two videos that you can watch. We would refer you to them if you have further questions as far as balancing chemical equations. So here we have 2 moles of ethane, 5 moles of oxygen, 4 moles of carbon dioxide, and 2 moles of water. So we're looking for grams of carbon dioxide. We start with the given 55 grams of ethane. If grams of ethane is in the numerator, we need to have it in the denominator. So we can cancel it out. And we know to convert from mass to moles, we need to use the molar mass. That was the first step. So we have to find the molar mass of ethane. So we have 2 carbons. Each carbon weighs 12 grams. Plus we have 2 oxygen. And each oxygen weighs about 1 grams. So that gives us 26 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of ethane. So we know grams should be on the bottom. So we put the 26 grams in the denominator, and the 1 mole will go in the top. We cross out the grams, and we continue. And we know that if moles of ethane is in the numerator, we need to have it in the denominator to cancel it out. And we know we have to use the mole to mole ratio from the balance equation. So we have to go from moles of ethane to moles of carbon dioxide. So we have to use the mole ratio between these two, because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for carbon dioxide. So we see that for every 2 moles of ethane, we have 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So 2 moles of ethane goes on the bottom, and 4 moles of carbon dioxide will go on the top. We cross out the moles of ethane. We're still not done yet because we're looking for grams. So moles of carbon dioxide is in the numerator. We need to have it in the denominator as well, so we can cross it out. We're looking for grams of carbon dioxide. So the conversion factor says to move from moles to mass, we need to use the molar mass. So we need to find the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So we have one carbon, and this carbon weighs 12 grams, plus we have two oxygen, and each oxygen weighs about 16 grams for a total of 44 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Moles should be on the bottom, so we put 1 mole on the bottom, and the 44 grams should go on the top. We cross out the moles, and we're looking for grams, so we have grams of carbon dioxide in the numerator. It means that we have reached our destination. We put the equal sign, and we find 1.86 times 10 to the second grams of carbon dioxide. And this is our final answer. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and use the comment section to let us know if you have found the presentation to be useful. Thank you, and have a great day.